What's going on, guys? Welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a sales receipt for our customers because it's well important to both our tax purposes as well as your customers' tax purposes. Now, the great debate is not printing out a sales receipt for your customers or clients illegal? You can look at the forums. A lot of people say it is. A lot of people say it is not. My CPA says it is illegal to not hand over a sales receipt, whether it's printed out or send it to them or just hand it off to them. She says it is illegal to not print out a sales receipt, but I catch myself a lot of times paying for things where I don't get a sales receipt. Like if I use a vending machine, you put your dollar in and get your soda or candy bar, you don't get a receipt for that. If you play the lotto, you don't get a receipt for that. A lot of times if you go to like a farmer's market or something, you buy something there, you're not going to get a receipt. You go to a bar and get a beer and pay in cash, you're not going to get a receipt. Is it illegal? Do you have a loophole? Whatever that may be, at the end of the day, I think it's just bad business not to give your clients and customers a sales receipt. And again, don't confuse this with invoice. An invoice is really just a bill. An invoice, simply put, an invoice is your bill. The receipt is a documentation. The payment has been finalized. And if there's ever a debate whether should I use an invoice or a sales receipt, for deferred payments like monthly payment plans, or if they're paying in increments, I'd probably use an invoice. If I want immediate payment, I would probably send a sales receipt. And obviously, if they pay in full, you definitely send a sales receipt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to from my homepage, I'm going to click on customers. I'm going to click on, here's my big dog. I'm going to click on create sales receipt. And it's pretty much just kind of like the same user interface they bring up if you set up like an invoice or an estimate. You're going to have to add some things to this. We'll just give it today's date and we'll type in some products that I made up. Description, it's a 12-piece tool set. Now we can save and send. I don't want to do that. I just want to do print preview. I want to see what it's going to look like. My default stuff. Give it a second. Sales receipt. Okay, great. So again, this is what I would send to my customer pretty much every time they just pay in full, just to finalize our transaction. They've got our sales receipt. They can now use this for their tax purposes. I would save and send. I'll just send it to myself. Got kind of your little cover letter, sales receipt. Thank you for your business. We appreciate it very much. I like how QuickBooks just pops that stuff up there, so I don't have to type that in or find a copywriter because I write how I talk and I'm a horrible editor, whatever. I'm rambling. So that's it. Kind of looks bland. And then in the next video, we'll talk about how we can customize a sales receipt. All right, guys, good luck with this. And just make a note. Make it good business to always send your customers and clients a sales receipt. So it's good business. I don't know if you have to or not, but just do it. All right. Have a good day.